On January 21st, 2025, at approximately 12:33 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, U.S. Border Patrol agents along with Yuma Police Department officers were assisting the U.S. Marshal Service deputies in executing an arrest warrant at 10234 37th Street in Yuma, Arizona. The U.S. Marshal Service deputies ordered the occupants of the residence to exit with their hands in the air. 2 occupants exited the house and were detained without incident. The subject of the warrant initially exited the house, but quickly re-entered and fired approximately 101 bullets from an AR-15 towards law enforcement officers positioned outside. The subject remained at the house barricaded. For approximately 3 minutes, several iterations of fire came from the target residence towards law enforcement officers. A Yuma County Sheriff deputy returned fire with his service-issued firearm. Responding Border Patrol agents set up a perimeter around the house and deployed less lethal munitions into the residence. The subject later appeared in the garage, at which point a U.S. Marshal Service deputy returned fire, followed by a Border Patrol agent. The following video is body-worn camera footage from a Border Patrol agent at the scene of the incident. The video contains graphic content, and viewer discretion is advised.
Come out with your hands up! One at a time! The police, U.S. Marshal, slowly come out of the residence with your hands up! Keep the door open, slowly come out with your hands up! All the way to the sky! Oh, sky's up! Hands up! Slowly come out! Continue coming my way! Continue coming this way! You stop! Man, take 4 steps to your left and place your hands in the sky. Sir, with your right hand, grab the back of your shirt. Yes, you, sir. Lift it. Turn. 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 Stop. Continue coming to the sound of my voice. Let's go. Come to me. Keep coming. Keep coming. Put that hand up. Get your hands up! Move! Hands up! Move over! Come on. Put your hands up! He's not showing his hands! I see your hands there! Ma'am! Move over! Come over here! Come out here! Go over there! Go now! Come to us. Turn around. Turn around. Don't look at me. Walk backwards towards the sound of my voice. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Right there. Stop. Put your hands on top of your head. I got contact. You got it? Yeah, he's got to work his wrist. All right. Take up. We have shots fired. Shots fired. Get under that truck. Get. To the right. To the right. Bound to the right. Bound back. Bounding right. Bounding right. Bounding right. Bounding right.
I'm covering this garage door.
Set. Bound right. Bound right. Move. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Move.
Set.
All right. Yep. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Where's he shooting from? I don't know.
Front door. Take cover on K9 cover. He's got to be shooting from the front door or the windows on that left side. Hey, where are you going?
Let's go be by you. What was that?
Is that the garage door?
What?
Watch them here. Watch them here. Is that the garage door?
I can't see it now.
No, I mean like the garage door. You got it? All right,
Yeah.
There's windows.
Hey, I'm going back up with him. Up to the garage door. Yeah, but I want to cover this in case he moves.
Smoke! Smoke!
Hey, he's coming. I see moving out of the garage. Shots fired.
He's got a gun! In the garage? He's in the garage door!
Yeah.
Gun.
Law enforcement personnel maintained a perimeter outside of the residence and observed a fire inside the house. A Yuma Police Department officer deployed a drone to enter the house and search for the subject. The drone operator determined the subject was inside the house and incapacitated. Law enforcement then entered the residence and found the subject unconscious with a gunshot wound to the head. No injuries were sustained by law enforcement personnel or civilians during the incident. The subject was declared deceased on scene by the Rural Metro Fire Department. CBP's National Use of Force Review Board reviewed this incident and determined all involved Border Patrol agents were compliant with the CBP use of force policy. The Yuma County Sheriff's Office, the Yuma Police Department, the U.S. CBP Office of Professional Responsibility, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, and the Department of Homeland Security Office of Inspector General responded to the scene.